Need two paper cups, Fevicol, Cellotape, and a pair of scissors and rubber bands. Okay. So the first step is we need to take two cups and we need to apply glue to both the bottom portion of the cups and stick them together. And once it is properly stuck using a glue or a Fevicol, you can go to the second step where you need to put sellotape on top of them and you have to circle it for 4 to 5 times and stick them properly. Remember, the goal is the air should not be able to pass through or in between the cups. Okay. And the third step is you need to take 10 to 12 rubber bands and you have to put a knot in them. Right? How to put a knot? You can take two rubber bands. First, put one rubber band inside the other rubber band. Then you will be able to see this rubber band is firmly stuck. Then just
Do like this.
pull one more through down inside of it and you can get the knot.
Should it be this long?
Yeah, that is fine. Yes. Children, one more time I will show you how to tie the rubber bands. So you have to take one rubber band, put it inside. Then you will be able to see that this rubber band is through this, right? Then you have to put one of them into it and you have to tie it like this. Okay, great. So now let's go to the next step. The final step is to actually launch it. Okay, so I'll show you a video on how to launch it. Okay, we have this rubber band thread, right? So big rubber band thread. So first keep one end of it and hold it properly with one finger, and then you have to pull the rubber band in an elastic manner and you have to keep rotating it. And when you are doing it, make sure that you are holding it properly one end. Okay, when you have it like this and when you leave, you can see it gliding and flying. You can try it out outside your room if you don't have enough space. Okay, you will see that it rolls slowly and it will glide. Okay,
Done,
so you
sir.
can see here, this is the cup, right? So first what you need to do, you need to hold one end. Okay, you can see here I'm holding one end and just pull this rubber band and you have to rotate it. Just you have to pull the rubber band and rotate it, not tightly. You have to rotate. Okay, don't do it too tight. Okay, then you have to hold it like this. You can see here it is tied and it's holding like this. Then you can leave it. Okay, then you will get it launched. Right, I'll show one more time. So this is the cup, right? The portion where we have used the tape, right? You have to tie on that surface only. First put one end. Okay, hold it. Then you need to start rotating it with the help of, you have to stretch the rubber band and throw
All
it.
done.
Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to hold it like this. Okay, and make sure that this pulling is down, right? And you have to just launch it, right? If you can launch it when there is a slight wind outside, you will see it, rolling and gliding over a long distance.